Not all composite decks are created equal. If you treat an older composite deck the same way you treat modern PVC decking or concrete, you're going to permanently damage it. This is an older, uncapped composite. Unlike new boards that have a protective plastic shell, this older material has actual wood fibers exposed on the surface. Today, we're looking at the chemistry required to restore these neglected legacy decks safely, and why substrate identification is the most critical step in property restoration. In the footage here, you're watching us tackle years of neglected organic growth. For this specific job, we used a carefully calibrated sodium hypochlorite and surfactant blend. We dialed in the concentration just high enough to kill the algae and mold evenly without bleaching out the remaining factory dyes in the composite. We applied it and let Sinner's Circle do the work through the chemical dwell time and rinsed it at a low pressure. It came out looking incredibly even and restored. But for the average cottage homeowner doing this themselves, I recommend a safer, upgraded protocol. Because those wood fibers are exposed, heavy SH can actually dry them out and degrade the material over time if you mix it too hot. Instead, your primary industrial protocol should be sodium percarbonate, a high concentrate, dry powder oxygen bleach. Here's your mix. Dissolve 6 to 8 ounces of sodium percarbonate in 1 gallon of warm water to activate the solution, and add 1 ounce of a professional non-ionic surfactant. The chemical mechanism here is perfect for old composite. As it dwells, the effervescent bubbling action physically lifts dirt and dead organics out of the porous surface without aggressively oxidizing the wood fibers or stripping the remaining color. You need a consistent application for this to work. Do not use a cheap hardware store sprayer that drops pressure and spits. I've linked to the professional battery and manual pump sprayers I use in the description and on my Amazon storefront. Now, if you rinse the percarbonate away and still have a few stubborn black spots or lichen roots that won't release, that is when you spot treat. Use a targeted spray of a slightly stronger sodium hypochlorite mix just on those spots to break the biological bond, then flush it thoroughly. Restoring older substrates is all about patience and understanding the limits of the material. Knowledge is power, and utilizing chemistry saves you from having to prematurely replace a deck like this. If you need premium, science-backed restoration at your Muskoka property, reach out to us at Meads Restoration. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you on the next job.